In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix Nvidia FPS counter not displaying. It is very easy, so follow this tutorial very careful. So the first step, in order to fix this problem, you need to try to toggle Nvidia overlay off and then toggle it on, or just restart your PC. So to toggle off Nvidia overlay, just go to your taskbar or toolbar, which is just found on the right hand side. On the right hand side, on the in the corner here, you just click this arrow to reveal hidden icons. Then just select Nvidia GeForce Experience. Then on the Nvidia GeForce Experience, after selecting, the new page will open for the Nvidia GeForce Experience. Look for the gear icon, which is your settings, and then click on settings and scroll down. You'll find for in-game overlay. So just turn this off and then turn back on. So you just need to turn it off, then turn back on. So just turn off in-game overlay, or simply just to restart your PC and see if Nvidia FPS counter is displaying. If still this hasn't fixed your problem, then let's go to the step number 2, which is run the game. Just run the game, open the game, then open Nvidia control panel, and then go under 3D settings, go to programs tab, add your game manually, apply changes and check back on the overlay. It should work now. So you just need to run the game, then open Nvidia control panel, under 3D settings, go to programs tab, add your game manually, apply changes and check back on the overlay. It should work now. So I'm sure 100% that if you've tried the step 1 by toggling Nvidia overlay off and on, it should work, or just simply restart your PC. If it doesn't work, then just add the game manually by going to the run the game, then open Nvidia control panel, under 3D settings, go to programs tab, add your game manually, apply changes and check back on the overlay. It should work now. If it still doesn't work, then here's my favorite. This has helped a lot of people, and I found this answer on forum, which is Reddit, and a lot of people have found a solution to this. Just go to privacy settings, just open GeForce Experience. As I have shown you, just open GeForce Experience on the right hand side on the corner. After opening GeForce Experience, go to settings and look for privacy settings. So after selecting privacy settings, allow to record desktop. So here it is have been explained. Go to privacy settings to allow to record desktop, then make a quick clip, then switch desktop recording off and see if that works. So just go to privacy settings on GeForce Experience, then allow record to desktop, then make a quick clip, then switch desktop recording off and see if that works. So you need to try these 3 settings, and I'm sure if you've tried it, it will work. So make sure you've tried all these 3 steps, and just comment down below if this has helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.